निमणे खिणाक गोल मारून स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवान रॉयल वांगडोक 2-1 मारून फेडरेशन कपाचे सेमीफायनलीत पावपाची आशा जिती दवरल्या। फुडले मॅचीत खडेगांठ ईस्ट बंगालाक मारल्यार स्पोर्टिंग सेमीत पावतले। स्पोर्टिंग फुडले मॅचीत आनीक बरो खेळ करतले म्हूण कोच क्लिफर्ड चुकवामा म्हणटा। रॉयल वांगडो उंचेल्या पावड्यार पयले खेप खेळटा। आपल्या टिमीक बऱ्योच गजाली शिकूंक मेळटात म्हूण कोच संतोष कश्यप उलयता।
We had a good game. We have always had a good game, but we have not used our chances. But today, like you saw, we were able to convert the chances we had. Even though we lost some two clear chances in the first half, we were able to convert the ones we had in the second half. That means you again, your ability to convert your chances. So, we are looking at the next game, which is very important to us. On winning that game, I think we're reaching at the semi-final. Okay, our next plan is to win the next game.
What do you do for the next game?
We're going to play the same way we're playing. Same way, with more determination, because it's going to be like a final for us. We win, we get to the semi-final. That's our target.
But I think the players need more experience to play in such level. So they should know when we get the lead how to play. When they get relaxed, so they need to be put more effort to get more goals and defend and keep the lead that way. So hope they will learn. We will learn from here, and this tournament definitely help us to perform better in live.
रामदेव बाबा फक्त योगच न्ही, बऱ्यापैकी कुस्तीय खेळटा। सोमारा दिव्य योग मंदिर आश्रमाच्या वर्सुकी दिसा निमतान कुस्तीचे शोंत रामदेव बाबान एकले तरबेज कुस्तीपटू कांयच न्ही करून आड घालो। रामदेव बाबाची कुस्ती कला पळोवंक प्रचंड लोक जमिल्लो। योगाक लागूनच आपण बऱ्यापैकी कुस्ती खेळूंक पावलो म्हणून रामदेव बाबा म्हणटा। पळयात योग गुरू रामदेव बाबाचो नवो कुस्ती योग।
योग करते हैं, गाय का दूध और गाय का घी खाते हैं और 20 साल पहले कुश्ती की थी।
इतल्यान खबरांची रांगात सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।